Hi everyone. So today we got something special for our Defender, a classic wooden steering. Let's try it out. The steering wheel came well packed. Here it is. Let's take a look inside. Okay, I got the steering wheel right here. This cables to connect the horn if I want to connect it inside here. Well, it's genuine wood for sure. It's got the screws here also to mount. It's got a nice finish. It's got a good retro look. I think it's gonna fit the Defender classic vibe perfectly. So this is what you get. The classic wood vintage style steering wheel. I think it's gonna look awesome on the Defender. You got the horn connection also. This centerpiece that goes here, it can be connected to the horn of the car with these wires, and you also have this screw kit. This is the actual steering wheel that I have. It's no longer original. I think it's from Nova, or what is a little bit too sporty, so I want to make it a little bit more retro style with this wooden one that I just got. For the Defender 110 is 36 splines. I already have the adapter over here, so I'm just gonna need to remove the screws and replace the steering wheel. Let's see how it looks. Oh my god. So the fittings go perfectly on the existing holes, so I'm just gonna use the screws that showed up with the steering wheel. I also have some black ones, but I think these ones will fit along much more nicely. And let's start with the first one over here. Kit brings also the buzzer and the wires to connect it, but my adapter does not have a hole for me to pass the wires and connect it to the existing buzzer, so I think I'm gonna leave that project for later on. What I need now to decide is if I would keep this one like this and take out the screws back again and put it like this, or if I would put my Land Rover logo over here. You guys tell me what is best. So I apologize for the noise. It's a little bit difficult for you guys to hear me, but I'm gonna do my best. It's a Defender, yeah? So this steering wheel really transforms the interior of the car, and it feels much more like a vintage drive. Honestly, I'm really impressed. The grip is solid, the diameter slimmer than my previous steering wheel, and I think it's the correct size, the right size for off-road or daily driving. This wood texture, this varnish finishing adds something special to the eye. I'm really enjoying it. Thanks for watching.